Hello, I'm Ali Sahba and I work as a multidisciplinary designer in a design and motion studio in London. I mainly design and make 3D animations from various types of commercials, TV, print media, and web. I have developed projects in different areas such as entertainment and fashion. I like to create images that will have something to say, something to show, or reflect on other people. The ultimate goal is either to say something in an interesting way or sometimes to simply tickle someone's brain. Working with 3D programs, I can reach these ideas and even go further. I also play with lights and shadows. This allows me to give life to images that go beyond the screen and blend with reality. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to blend different design programs in order to create an abstract and realistic 3D illustration. You will create a model in Cinema 4D and do a fabric simulation in Marvelous Designer, rendering your frame with Redshift. I will show you how to combine different tools for 3D modeling, fabric shaders, and realistic rendering. As a final project, you will make an abstract 3D illustration with a photorealistic look. My creative process is about transferring powerful emotions to my creations. I will teach you how to develop a concept and where to find assets to create interesting compositions. I will take you on a 3D journey where I will show you how to create a model from scratch. You will learn how to work with fabrics, textures, lighting, and shading. You will finalize your render in Photoshop to add more details and prepare the piece to go online. At the end of the course, you will be able to create images that blend abstract and realistic design. For this course, you won't need any previous knowledge, but having an idea of 3D programs, especially Cinema 4D, would be a plus. Also, you will need a computer on which you have installed Cinema 4D, Marvelous Designer, and Redshift render engine. This course is for everyone who wants to learn how to combine multiple tools to create a photorealistic 3D image with a twist. Play with reality and trick your viewer's brain with your design.